Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use File Manager Plus on Chromecast. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get started. So we're going to hop over to the File Manager app. So go ahead and find the application in your app drawer and launch it. So I have mine right here. I have a video showing you how to get this app. If you have the app already, if you don't have the app, watch the video. If you have the app already, just launch it and then get in. So click on next. Click on next again, and you're going to grant this file manager access to all files. So it's going to be able to manage all files. Click on allow, and there you have it. All your files get loaded up. They are categorized in terms of the type. So media, in terms of images, are under here. You can find your images here, just like you see mine. Videos are under here. You can find your videos, just like you see mine. Your documents will be under this folder. Audio will be under this folder. It's a very, very customized and very efficient way to manage your files on Chromecast. So it's not like a laptop where you have a more complex system. This is a very simple layout, very suitable for Chromecast. So on your Chromecast, just navigate. You could see all of your folders right here with the main storage option. You can also do storage analytics to see the detailed analytics of your storage. You would access cloud, remote, and even access from other devices with this application. You can also see the applications that are here. So if I come over to apps, these are the download applications available right here. So all of these available. You can also go to the sandwich bar at the top right, at the top left rather, to see the simple interface with favorites. Anything you've set as favorite can be under here. So very easy to reference. And then history. Everything you've navigated or watched recently with this application will find itself here, so you can access it very easily. Lastly, I'm going to talk about these settings. Come over to settings and you can upgrade to premium from here. So if you're looking for how to upgrade to File Manager Plus Premium, this is the button you want to click on. You could also choose this to be the default File Manager app by clicking on this option. You could navigate temporary files here, such as thumbnails. You could work on the network storage cache and other temporary files as well. So the recycle bin is going to be used as default. If you do not want that option, you could turn it off by clicking on this, and that will turn off recycle bin. So everything you delete at that point will be totally deleted, permanently deleted, and not recycled. So that's it for that application. If you found it insightful, if it was useful to you, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.